Hello and welcome to another update video on MSTR Strategy Inc. Just to look at the shorter time frame here, we have, yesterday we looked at the price action from the last swing highs. Obviously, we had a corrective pullback. I'm labeling this as an ABC structure to the downside into the support area for a possible B wave pullback, which means it's a corrective pullback. A three-wave move down, we're holding support, which means there is at least room for another C wave to the upside, as long as we're holding, especially here, the low of this week. But should we get a decisive break below $276, it might become more probable that we are moving down in the blue scenario, which means new lows are coming in a more direct fashion. I don't fully believe this yet, but again, the structure suggests it's possible, and it's also not entirely improbable. It's just a matter of understanding whether we support hold or not. At the moment, support is holding at $276. This is the support area for the current corrective pullback, which could lead to higher prices, as I said before. But there is no evidence that we are turning around here. That's the tricky situation. Very tricky situation at the moment, also in the cryptocurrency space. Yeah, so it's kind of related. Now, if we move higher from here, which I would still prefer, even if it's just in the orange wave 2, then we should start to see some upside momentum from here, and the market should start to move towards the next upside Fibonacci resistance levels around $314 and $325. So if we see that from here, and especially if we break above the last signal line at $298.20, well, that is how the market can grind higher towards 314 and 325. At the moment, unfortunately, there isn't really too much going on down there, and my concern is that this last bounce is only a three-wave move up. So I haven't got any impulsive price action. There's no impulse to the upside at the moment. There is no five-wave move up and also no break above resistance, which would tell me that we have at least put a local low in place. So the market remains, let's say, vulnerable for now. The structure remains very, very fragile. Any changes, of course, I will let you know. Just please be aware that if we break below 276, the risk of the blue scenario that is playing out is increasing. The real invalidation point is down here at around $269 for the bullish case here. Yeah. And I mean, should we really see higher prices and we move towards 324 to 330, then I can add support for a fourth wave, and then we can continue to climb higher as long as we're holding support and follow the white scenario, potentially even to all-time highs. If we get 5 waves up, that would be helpful. This here is all quite a mess. We need some patience here, and definitely a tricky situation here at the moment, But I'll keep you updated. Next support would be around, $269 then, and if we break below this, $258. Yeah, that's just a quick update on MSTR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.